it may not really look like it. Oh, look, wait, there's blue skies. But it's spring outside. See, there are leaves on the tree and it's getting warmer and all that. And right in time, I'm getting tired of this makeup look, which is what I've been wearing for the last weeks. Some brownish on my eyes and then a now rubbed off lipstick and yeah, medium coverage on the skin. So I thought it would be the right time to get down and probably not only shop my stash, but actually sort out and declutter my stash. This is where I keep all my stuff. Basic, IKEA, you know the drill. And yeah, there's eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow sticks, glitter, cream and single eyeshadows. A lot of dirt. Then blushes. I try to divide them by family, and these are neutral ones. Yeah, I have most from this collection. And this is face products like powders or foundations, concealers that are too dark right now, some powder highlighters, and yeah, these is lipsticks, and I tried to divide them into color families like neutrals, pinkish, corals, dark reds, and the reds I have actually in here, which is the colors that I brought with me. And these are lashes, which I actually never use. I think I'll try to put in some lashes later on, just to justify having all these. And these are things that I have double or that I don't like as much and that I give away to family and friends and all that. These are the lip products that I actually had with me, and I tried to keep them in these little containers and tried to see which ones I liked and which ones I was going to give away, like this Bite Beauty lipstick in focus Fig, which will go to my sister who likes it, and this red because yeah, it just doesn't suit me. And as you can see, I have some other options. This one absolutely not my taste. And that's the rest of the makeup that I had with me upstairs and that I now need to go through and see what will make the cut. Okay, so right now I have a few necessities like concealer and one stick and powder in there that are basically every time the same. And now I need to figure out what I'm going to take with me. And I think I'm going to take this palette. It's the Pixie It's Judy Time palette. And the shades, at least the upper two rows, are quite spring. I'm going to take this one. I don't usually wear pink, but yeah, maybe I'll get some use out of it. And then from these, maybe the blue and the bronze. Blushes, I'm going to go with this one and this one and this one, and a classic for this time of year, NARS Orgasm. From here, I think I'm going to reach for those once more. And then lipstick. I think I'll take a selection of each and then go on with the testing. Maybe 5 lipsticks for 5 days a week. That could be a challenge. I'm going to pick those later. But now, after I have my picks out, I think I'm going to empty everything and wipe everything down because these drawers look plain disgusting. And would be time to spring clean than actual spring. Okay, let's do this. I'm using Bollywink lashes. These look like this. And of course, I'm not using the Bollywink glue, but some dual eyelash adhesive. And I've actually watched a ton of tutorials on how to apply false lashes, so this should only take me a few seconds. these look far from natural, but it was actually easier than I thought. I think I'm going to keep wearing them and be the most glam mom do dinner and see if they actually irritate me. The lashes held up pretty well. They just lifted a little inside here, and I remember how uncomfortable these are because they keep poking me in the inside of the eye. But as I recently learned, you have to trim them to adapt them, and I think if I had done that, they would be actually pretty comfortable. Now I don't think that I'm going to wear false lashes, especially false lashes like this, for doing the dishes anytime soon, but maybe for going out, if I ever go out. Oh well, I'll try and practice more.